2020 has a special ring to it. It's associated with sharp vision. It's inspired bold foresight. In the world in 2020, we're going to be looking at big events. As usual, we'll have a wide range of contributions from politicians, business leaders, scientists and others who will actually influence the future. In politics, America's presidential election will dominate the news, first narrowing down a crowded field of Democratic candidates and then the showdown with Donald Trump. Hanging over everything will be nervousness about the world economy and whether a recession is in the offing. We'll also be covering threats to the planet, from nuclear weapons to climate change. Believe it or not, it'll already be 5 years since the United Nations set its Sustainable Development Goals, so there'll be a beady eye on some of those targets, especially on the state and the health of the world's oceans. And more positively, we'll be looking beyond Earth to the explorations that are planned to Mars in 2020. In sports, it's an Olympic year, so all eyes will turn to Tokyo. And for football fans, Euro 2020 will take place across 12 countries for the first time. In 2020, a lot of people will head to the World Expo in Dubai, a showcase of the future. In culture, there'll be lots to enjoy, from Bond to Beethoven. We'll be giving our take on this, as well as other trends and events that will shape the year ahead. All this makes the world in 2020 a rich feast of bold predictions and big ideas as we head into the next decade.